Good afternoon, guys. Look what we have here. 4 babies, parrot finch. So we have, it looks like here, it looks like we have 2 yellows and the rest blue. That's what we're looking at. They've been born for probably 4 days now. Yeah, they're quite big. Look at that. Pair of societies. These birds do miracles. They do miracles, I tell you. Leave this here for now. And we got eggs in here. She's on eggs, Goulians. I don't know if they have eggs. Nope, nothing. Look at this here. We got babies over here. We got babies here. Let's see this. I really don't mess around with this pair much. We got 5. No, we got 4 babies of owls in here. We got 4 babies. I just put a fake egg under this pair to get them going because I have parrot finch eggs being laid. Let's see here. Still 1, so they're gonna lay the other one today or tomorrow. I took her male away because she started to molt. Yeah, she laid 2 eggs. 1 is over there, but she's molting, so that's it for her. She's gonna go through the cycle. Let's see what we got here. Nothing here. They got eggs. We got the birds there. We got 2 babies here. You hear that? We got babies in here. Look at that. We have 2 baby Goulians in there. I don't know if she laid or not. Let's see. Not yet. She's due. She's due to lay. Let's see if she laid. Nothing. She's due to lay any day as well. Any day. We have 1 Goulian baby. Oh no, look at that, guys. Unfortunately. You know, it happens. It happens. And it was big. And it was big. Well, the good thing is, I really didn't want to, sorry about that. I really didn't want to waste a trio on 1 baby. So I'll just put some eggs there and hopefully they take it. Nothing here because I got this pair of Booleans with 5 eggs right now. They're laying on it, but I didn't have no one to take care of it. So yep, unfortunately guys, it happens. There's babies being born and babies dying and other birds dying. Look at this, only 1 parrot finch. You know, there were 3, and then I don't know what happened. 1 got thrown out, and the other one died in the cage inside the box, and this one survived. So it is what it is. You know, it happens to the most of us, to all of us. Let's just be honest. It happens to all of us. Well, just wanted to show you guys the 4 parrot finch babies, and that's great. You know, that's really great. That's awesome. That's awesome. Well guys, thank you. Subscribe to the channel. There's a little update on some birds. Everything else is going well. I just have to expand to the other side there. I got the grass mass finch in here. They're under dummy eggs. Their eggs is under the societies over there. I gotta check those. As soon as I'm done here, I'm gonna check them, and that's it really. They have 5 eggs, 5 good eggs. Owl finch. Nothing. I can't wait for the strawberry finches to have babies. Those are my favorite birds. Strawberry finches, and then the fire finch. And then I like the owl finches. I just like the way they look. But variety will help you in the long run, I guess. I got this. Yeah, there's nothing in here. So yeah, I just weaned a bunch of some babies, parrot finch babies, some owls, societies, which I definitely need. But there's a whole bunch of life being born as well. So thank you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. There's gonna be a lot more. Summertime, I'm gonna get this room settled up, get it nice and organized, and we can go from there. So I don't know if they have eggs. No, but she's due to have eggs. You know, she's due. She is due. So my brother-in-law gave me a red factor, and he lost his color. So I gotta get the color back on this bird. And some European goldfinch. He put them in here. So he's into the singing birds. You got the green finch. You got some European goldfinches up there, and some canaries as well. I had two canaries. Now I got another one. So, but guys, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video, the little update of the babies. again, societies are doing the job, you know. And hope you guys tune into the next one. Thank you, and have a great night. Bye bye.